Alright guys, welcome back. If you tuned into these series or episodes or whatever, I think this is like part 4 of the KX85 rebuild. Just a little update. Cleaned up the shock. That's come up like brand new. Got the bearings for the steering stem. Waiting on the tool to obviously punch that bearing down. What else have I got up to? I have ordered some new tyres. They're on their way. I've ordered the engine stand as well. So I can drain out the oil and the coolant, ready for that linkage thing to go in for the shifter shaft. What else? And yeah, that's basically where I'm at. Just waiting on bits at the minute. So we've managed to clean up the linkage as well. I'm waiting on linkage bearings, waiting on shock bearing, the upper shock bearing as well. And I'm waiting on a swing arm tool as well, so I can get all these bearings installed on the shock and the swing arm. So yeah, that's just a little quick update. So yeah, waiting on tools and, I don't know, for example, tyres for the bike. It's not going to stop me from staying consistent and post on YouTube every single week. Just want to give you guys like a little bit of an update. I've said this like 1,000 times, but yeah, it's not going to stop me from posting. If you are liking these videos, feel free to subscribe, like the videos, do what you have to do. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.